Let's solve another problem where we use order of operations involving exponents. This one's a little bit more complex. So again, we start with the parentheses. The tricky thing is that even within these parentheses, we need to use order of operations because I see subtraction and a power. Well, order of operations applies inside those parentheses, and I know that exponents need to be done before adding and subtracting. So I'm going to start by evaluating 6 squared. 6 squared is 6 times 6, or 36. So I'm copying down the problem, and I'm not changing anything except for what I've calculated. I'm taking out the 6 squared and putting 36. Right now, I'm still working within my parentheses. I'm going to take 43 minus 36. 43 minus 36 is 7. So again, I'm going to recopy. Still have 5 squared. Inside my parentheses is 7. Outside my parentheses is a 2. Okay, so that's taking care of my parentheses. Now I have some exponents. So let's go ahead and evaluate those exponents. So first we have 5 squared. 5 squared, or 5 times 5, is 25. And then I have 7 squared. But first off, I'm kind of curious what I'm supposed to do with those numbers. You might remember from earlier in the quarter that having a number directly in front of a parenthesis means we're multiplying. So we could have gone back and we could have added a multiplication symbol there. So really this is 5 squared times 7 squared. So I just did 5 squared is 25. Now let's find 7 squared. 7 squared is 49. I put that in place of 7 squared. So that leaves me with 25 times 49. My exponents are done. I'm now to multiplication. So multiplying 25 times 49 gives me a final answer of 1,225. So when we evaluated 5 squared times, in parentheses, 43 minus 6 squared, all squared, our final answer was 1,225.